Okay, it's fine. It's not this next speaker. Next speaker is Maxim, by the way. If you don't know, that's you. Okay. Yeah. So a token of appreciation. So the Beware project. So I've been to that spring, and if you have contributed to Beware, and then you will get. Actually, a token is like a coin that is for your contribution. So I think it's very nice. I'm really jealous because I still haven't got the coin yet. I still have to work very hard to get it. But it's a very nice coin. So yeah. And so, wow, you're very busy setting it up. So our next talk is about, is it Latin or is it Italian? Carpe diem. Oh, okay. Well, you can teach me all about it. Thank you so much.
Okay. Can I start? Yeah. Okay. Hello, everybody. My name is Maxim Danilov. And who I am? I'm developer around 25 years. 10 years in the past, I worked with assembly, and 9 years I work with Python. And I'm speaker on the conferences. All my talk you can achieve with this link. And I want to say thank you for two companies who support me. And I have a special thanks for the person who support me. Anastasia Sen created design of my presentation, Pavel Pelikin tested work with my code every day, and Martin Achenreiner tested this all. And I want to say thank you for my family, Elena, Maya, and Mark. Thank you. Today I have a talk about generators. In preparation for this talk, I reviewed my past. Why I am here? Why I did to be here? I remember about PyCon the year 2022. I talk about complexity in Python code, and right in the same time, my wife waits me, and she is pregnant. After that, on JangaCon in Portugal, 2022 in September, I have a talk, and right now, in the same moment, my son was born. It was the first day of conference. It's all okay, I can answer. I was on conference, it was planned 1 year before, and child not. But JangaCon, United States in October. My wife cannot wait me. He made a photo shooting. Okay. In PyCon the year in April, I have a brilliant talk about generators, and in the same time, my wife sent me a photo. My son did the first step. Again, it's important, without me. My PyCon Italy, I'm here. And my son you cannot see the first teeth in mouth. What I want to say, the boy full life live without father. But what I want to say right now, let's take Python. In Python we have one built-in iter. Iter receive one callable and one sentinel. If callable equal to sentinel, iter throws for us a stop iteration. If not equal, iter give us the result of callable. And we can create infinity generator from this infinity iterator. I give one iter, and sentinel is 1. This is infinity iterator, and this is better than iter tools. From infinity generator from iter tools, it works better. And what I offer you to do with that, we can create a loop of our life, and for every moment in infinity, we can catch the moment. Carpe diem. Thank you. Don't forget about your family, it's really important. Thank you for attention, and my next talk on EuroPython in July in Prague.
Yeah, see you in Prague, and please show me the picture of what's happening in July at that time. So yeah, it's very philosophical talk, but the good time is almost come to an end.